Let's do some sourcing and let's make money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I go about sourcing in my high six figures, going towards seven figures, online arbitrage, Amazon FBA business. What we are going to do is I'm going to show you pretty much how I go about sourcing, and I'm going to comment everything that I do. The tools that I have at my disposal are Keepa, tactical arbitrage. We're going to do some manual sourcing if it fits. I really do not know what we're going to do. I'm looked at what's going on right now online. We are going to start together. I really have no idea what I'm going to do, but I'm going to try. The goal is not to do a speed sourcing challenge and find as much profit as we can as fast as possible. It's really going to be me detailing every single step and everything that I think while I'm actually doing it. If you want a written format of my sourcing, process and everything, if you want to read it, it's going to be a little bit more. It's going to be explained in a better way. I have a link in the description for a free ebook that I wrote detailing my sourcing process, so you can get it by clicking the link in the description. By the way, before we actually start and I show you my sourcing process, if you want to scale your Amazon business, you need two things. First of all, if you want to do it faster, you need a mentor. You can book a call with me. I'm going to build a plan for you to scale your business. Second thing that you can do is join the Discord server, because if you actually network, it's going to be way faster. You're going to grow your business way faster. So join the Discord server, start interacting with people. The link is in the description. So, as usual, I have some tea with me right there. It's probably going to be kind of a long video because we have a lot of things. I have a lot of things to show you. I do not know where we are going to go with it, but I'm going to show you my whole strategy. And let's start with let me do this. Let's start right there on Google Chrome. So, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to find promotions to look at. We are not going to do any reverse sourcing today. Maybe if a little bit later, if it really depends on where we are going to go with this. But the first thing that you want to do is find some place to look at. One way that I like to do it, and there's multiple ways that you can actually do this. You can do this by looking at your emails. You can do this by looking at your text message, see if you receive any promotion. One way I really like to do it, and it's not tactical arbitrage, is going to be to go on top cashback, okay? So, now that we are on top cashback, I'm going to scroll down a little, and right here you can see that there's a tab that will actually show you websites that are trending right now. Now, if a website is trending, it means that more people are actually visiting the website. So for example, on Atleta, we can see that there's 361% more traffic on that website right now than usual. So if a website is trending, it's pretty likely that they have something going on right now. So the traffic on Keepa is almost triple what it is usually. So we are going to look at Keepa. And sometimes when you click, you can see why the reason why the website is trending. So it's probably because there's up to 40% outlets. We're going to look at it. We're going to try to look at it manually. I do not necessarily like Puma when it comes to online arbitrage. There's not that much great product. There are some great products, but I do not know the brand as well as I know Nike, for example, right? So we're going to scroll a little bit and see if we can find some sales. So usually, by the way, if you do online arbitrage, most of the products that you are going to sell are not going to be products at full price. You want to find discounted products. A good way to discount products, and by the way, you need to discount products as much as you can to increase your profit margin. So to do this, first of all, you need to find a good sale. But on top of that, you're going to add cashback. So right now that we can see that there's 13% cashback with top cashback on Puma.com, which is going to increase the profit margins a lot. Personally, by the way, I do not count cashback as, I do not compute it in my cost of goods sold, and I do not compute it in my profit margins. I treat it as a bonus. But when you start, you can actually use it if you want to. Now, it should not be just the cashback that makes your profit, but it should give you extra profit. You should have a cushion in case your profit your cashback get cancelled, because sometimes it happens. It's pretty rare, but it happens, and it's especially pretty rare when you are actually a beginner and you are just starting. Okay, it's happening more when you order a lot, when you order huge quantities. Okay, so Let's scroll down a little bit, and I forgot to talk to you about discounted gift cards, but we're going to talk a little bit more about this in a few. Now, we are going to try to find a promotion or something. So yeah, semi-annual, here we go. Just by scrolling down a little bit, we can see that there's a promotion for up to 60% off. It's a semi-annual sale, and this is what we are going to look at, because the more discount we can find, the better it is. So to calculate my profits, I'm going to use my spreadsheet right here that you can get, link in the description. This is a spreadsheet, and if you actually get it, there's a video actually explaining to you how to use the spreadsheet, so you can get it with the link in the description. I think it's the last thing in the description. This is what I use usually to calculate my cashback, to calculate my cost, and you get your cost after all price reduction, and also your cost at your prep center if you use one. So my prep center is $1.20, so I'm going to input this right here, and what I'm going to do is $1.25. My mistake. And what I'm going to do is, now we are going to look at ways to actually reduce our price, okay, reduce our cost, manufacturer margin. So first of all, we have 13%, and I think it's 13% on Puma, but 11% on sales. So yeah, we're gonna have 11% cashback. So I'm going to input this here. We are gonna look if we can find some gift cards for Puma. I'm not sure. And the coupon, we don't have coupons, we are going to look at sales. Sometimes we can find an extra coupon, but this is not the case today. So we are going to try to find gift cards. And for this, we are going to go to gift cards wiki. We can look on top cashback, they do have gift cards. I'm not sure they have some for Puma, but we're going to look at this. And we are going to go on gift cards wiki as well to try to find gift cards. So let's go back to top cashback here. Boom. Gift cards right there, and we're going to try to find some discounted gift cards. Now, how gift card works is pretty easy. So a lot of people do not understand, and then just check real quick if they have some. No, they do not have any right there. So how it works pretty much is you buy a gift card for $100, but with a spending power of $100, but you buy it at a discounted price. So for example, you buy it at $90. Okay, so you're going to save 10% on what you spend instead of using your credit cards to pay $100. You're going to use that $100 gift card that you actually paid $90, and so you save 10% on anything that you buy with that specific gift card. So this is pretty much how discounted gift cards work, right? So let's check right here, and we have 2% off, and it's e-gift card. It's on card cash, and it's actually 1.5%. So we are going to use this. I usually do not use card cash because I get all my order cancelled with them, but we are going to put it 1.5% gift cards, and I get 2% cash back when I buy my gift cards with my credit cards. Okay, so you stack all that up, and so you are able to reduce your price a lot when you actually buy inventory. Okay, this is the name of the game. This is how you do online arbitrage, and this is how you're going to find profitable products. Okay, so let's start looking at the sales. So we are not going to look at every single product. We could scan it with Tactical Expander, but this is not what we are going to do. We are going to look through it manually, quickly, and I'm going to show you how I usually look for products when I do some manual sourcing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort by top sellers, because if something is popular right there, it's probably popular on Amazon as well, right? And so a lot of pair of shoes, but we are going to try, I'm actually trying to look. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to try to find products that actually catch my eyes, right? So let's see. I don't see anything right now. Maybe this. I'm going to open this. I'm going to open a few products that I want to check. So yeah, I'm going to open this. Nothing. Maybe we're going to open this and we're going to check them out. And I'm just going to open a few just to show. So this is just a regular hoodie. We never know. Let's see. These, I think I sold these in the past. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Simple, short, could work. Usually sometimes this stuff is good, so we're gonna check it out. anything that is Puma Racing with BMW. I sold a few of those. It was not the exact same, but I sold a few of those in the past, and this is why I'm opening this. So I'm skipping a lot of things because it's really specific stuff. So whenever you see something like this, usually when it's special colorways, usually it does not sell super good on Amazon. And so this is why I'm going to skip it right there, right? So okay, let's scroll down. Maybe this one, we're going to do a quick product selection. We're going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to select 10 products. And once we have the 10 products, we're going to look for them on Amazon, okay? Vicky, I don't know. Yeah, let's try these. We'll figure it out. Let's try these. And the discount's not that good, so maybe I should not have opened these, but yeah. And what else could we try? Let's get one last one. Let's try this one. Let's see if we can find something profitable with these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the product, and I'm going to click on my, I don't know if you can see it, but I have seller amp right there on top, and I'm just going to click on it to actually try to find the product on Amazon. So it's a little bit slow to load for whatever reason. And it looks like we could have a match, but with another color. And nah, the sales rank is too high. So whenever I see this, if I want to be fast, I would just skip this product. So I'm going to skip this product. I know it's not the exact same variation, but just by saying this, I can pretty much see that it's going to be hard to find it profitably, to actually find a listing that sells fast enough. So let's look at these. Let's do the same thing. And let's see. It's called the Tizen 6. Amazon is on the listing on these. It looks like it's these, but the sales rank is maybe. You know what? Let's look on these if we can find the variation, and it is actually right here. It is right there. So what I'm going to do is because I can see that Amazon is on this listing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the variation tab, right? I'm going to go to the variation tab, and I'm going to look for first products where Amazon is not in stock. So when there's no price in the Amazon column, that's going to be the first thing. Second thing is I'm going to choose this specific variation, which is called black. What is this one is called Puma Black, and this one is Puma Black slash Puma Black Puma Silver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and I'm going to write Puma Black. I'm sorry, Puma Silver. Here we go. And this way we are just going to get these. We are just going to get this exact variation in right there, okay, in our keeper. So how much do we get this one for? We get it for $34.99. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my cost right there, $34.99, and I can see that I'm going to get it. If I ship it to my house in Florida, I'm going to get these for $32.29. If I ship it to my prep, I'm going to get them for $31.18. I'm going to add 50 cents on top of that because for shoes I pay $175. And so I will get them for $31.68. Okay, so let's go back to Amazon and see if it's going to make sense, if it's going to be profitable at $31.68 for any of these. So at $31.68, if we sell these on the listing that is selling for $86.99, and I'm not sure this listing is actually selling, and it looks like this listing is actually selling. It looks like we are gonna make 104% return on investment. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Let's just check if we sell it on a listing that sells for $61. So yeah, even on a listing that sells for $61, you can make some money. Okay, you can make some profit. And we are going to look at one. We're going to look at this one just for the sake of the example. I think I would actually check this one first because this one sells for the most money at 10.5. But let's look at this one. Okay. So this variation in size 9. It looks like it used to sell super fast, but maybe the listing was merged to another listing. And Yeah, so the stock is going up a little bit, a tiny bit, but I'm not too worried about this. The new offer count is going up a little. We're going to look at the offers and see if people are actually selling. This guy is selling. It may sell a little slowly. Let's go back to the variation tab just to try to figure it out. It was size 9, right? And it looks like it's the rating is increasing. Like, it's okay, the rating is increasing, so I would not be too worried about this pair of shoe. This is okay profit. Yeah, this is good profit, and yeah, this is basically my process. So you've seen that just by talking, like it was not even that hard to find products. I did not prepare anything in advance. This is my full process. This is how we were able to find profit super fast. Remember, the name of the game when you do manual sourcing, as I did, is just to check things that actually catch your eyes. If you've done a lot of let me go back here. If you do a lot of storefront stalking, if you've been in the game for a little time, some products you will pretty much be able to know what products actually sell and what products to actually check. When you start, it's a little bit harder. You're gonna need to check more products, but the more you do it, and especially this is why I think tactical arbitrage is such a great tool. Because if you do a lot of tactical arbitrage, you're going to be able to go through websites such as Puma, if you have tactical expander, Superfast, and you can pretty much have an idea of what pair of shoes, well, what products actually sell from those websites, even when you actually check them out manually. So you should do this. You should do a lot of manual sourcing as well, just to build your eyes, a lot of storefront stalking, and by doing all this, you're going to be able to build your experience and be super fast. You've seen with this video that sourcing is really not that hard. It's just about knowing where to look. I just showed you one of the examples of how I would actually start sourcing. If I were to start sourcing today, this is exactly what I do when I actually start sourcing. This is the first thing that I would do. If you want more information on the whole strategy, you can check the ebook that is 100% free in the description. If you need help building your business, if you want to scale your business, if you need personalized help, if you want a personalized plan to actually scale your business, book a call with me. Best thing to do is what's going to allow you to scale the fastest. And next thing that you can do if you want to grow fast is to network. Do it by joining the Discord server in the description. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe to that usual YouTube stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. And by the way, before we actually end up with this video, before we actually close this video, this is officially the last video of the year. I've officially uploaded one video a day on YouTube for a whole year. I started doing it daily last year on January 31st. So I'll make it, it's Saturday, December 30th today, so it's officially 365 days. So thank you for everyone for tuning in the whole year. We are going to go to keep going for a full second year, probably, because I really like the groove of, you know, talking every day in front of the camera, creating content. I really like it. So we are probably going to go for a second year and see how it goes. Things are going to change with the channel, by the way, but I think we are going to keep uploading daily videos for now. So thanks for your support. You know, the channel grew fast. A lot of people do not make it to the point where I made it, and just with YouTube, because I haven't really posted on other social media and tried to grow the channel by using other social media. So thank you for supporting the channel. And yeah, thank you for everything. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope this video was helpful. Watch these videos on the screen right now, by the way, if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. So thank you for watching.